Love how when you're coming up the lift hill you get some awesome views. There's all the coaster track, brilliant. And the pyramid there in the middle with a big bottle of Coke on the top. I wonder how big that Coke bottle is. If you stood next to it, it's massive. Whee, got a bit of caravan watch. Because Millennium's shut today, we'll have to do caravan watch on here instead. Caravans everywhere here in Ingoldmells. Whee! Woo! Confused the Starflyer, I'll get on that next I think. Whee! Woo! Whoa! Time for a good spin. Charlotte's just been going wild on this spinning. Whee! That's why you want to sit on the end if you are coming on your own. Well yeah, walk on rides today. Woo! Hey! Whee! I love a good spinning coach. I know they're quite a generic ride type really, but good fun. That was a good spin. Enjoyed that. Snowdrift.